What if I told you that eating 3 times a day might be the very reason your body never gets the chance to clean itself? What if your constant snacking is keeping your internal system in storage mode, never allowing it to switch into repair mode? Today on TheCityDoctor, I am going to break down hour by hour what happens inside your body when you eat once a day. And I'll use something I call the warehouse metaphor to explain why waiting for that one single meal might be one of the most powerful health decisions you ever make. Let's step inside your body. The warehouse metaphor 45:2:30. Imagine your body is a giant warehouse. Every time you eat, delivery trucks arrive with boxes, carbohydrates, fats, proteins. The warehouse manager is a hormone called insulin. Its job? To store everything. When you eat breakfast, insulin opens the warehouse doors and says, "Store these boxes." When you eat lunch, more trucks arrive. Dinner, even more trucks. Snacks, small trucks all day. Here's the problem. If trucks keep arriving, when does the warehouse get time to clean up? When does it throw away damaged boxes? When does it repair broken shelves? When does it reorganize old inventory? It doesn't. It just keeps storing. Now imagine something different. You eat once, the trucks arrive once, then, no more deliveries for 23 hours. Suddenly, the warehouse workers stop storing and start cleaning. That cleaning process inside your body is called autophagy, a natural cellular repair system. Let's break down exactly what happens in those 23 hours. The 23-hour cycle, hour by hour, 0-4 hours after your meal storage mode activity, you've eaten your one meal. Blood sugar rises. Insulin rises. Glucose is used for energy. Extra glucose is stored as glycogen in the liver. Excess may be stored as fat. Your warehouse is busy storing boxes. This is normal. This is healthy. But the magic happens later. 4-8 hours, insulin begins to drop. Your body finishes digesting. Blood sugar stabilizes. Insulin levels begin to fall. The body starts using stored glycogen for energy. The warehouse doors are closing. No more trucks. The workers are looking around. What next? 8-12 horse fuel switching begins. No, your body begins transitioning. Glycogen stores are running low. So your body says, "We need another energy source." It begins increasing fat burning. You are slowly shifting from glucose burning mode to fat burning. This is called metabolic flexibility. The warehouse is no longer receiving boxes. It's using stored inventory. 12-16 horse fat burning increased. No, things get interesting. Insulin is low. Growth hormone increases. Your body releases fatty acids. Ketones begin forming. You are officially in fat burning mode. Energy becomes more stable. Hunger hormones begin to balance. The warehouse workers start reorganizing shelves. They're preparing for cleanup. 16-20 horse repair mode turns on. We enter powerful territory. With insulin low for long enough, your body activates deeper repair mechanisms. This is where autophagy begins increasing. Autophagy means self-eating. But don't panic. It's your body recycling damaged cells, broken proteins, and cellular waste. Imagine warehouse workers finally removing broken boxes, expired items, damaged packaging. They recycle usable parts. This is cellular housekeeping, and it only happens efficiently when insulin is low for extended periods. If you're eating every 3-4 hours, this cleanup rarely happens. 20-23 horse deep fat burning and cellular cleanup. At this stage, fat burning is high. Ketones are elevated. Inflammation markers may reduce. Mental clarity often increases. The warehouse is now fully in maintenance mode. Repairs, cleaning, recycling, efficiency. Your body is not distracted by digestion. It is healing. Hour 23-24 time to eat again. You eat your one meal. Trucks return. The warehouse stores efficiently again. But here's the difference. Because you allowed 23 hours of cleanup, your system is not overloaded. It's organized, efficient, ready. Why 3 meals a day may be clogging your system? Let's go back to the warehouse. If trucks arrive every 4-5 hours, insulin never stays low long enough. Storage mode stays active. Fat burning never fully activates. Autophagy barely begins. It's not that 3 meals are evil, it's that modern life often adds snacks, sugary drinks, late night eating. No, the warehouse never closes. No cleaning shift, no repair crew, just constant storage. Over time, that may contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, fatigue, brain fog. The system becomes cluttered. Why eating once a day can feel powerful when done properly and safely. Eating once a day OMAD may improve insulin sensitivity, increase fat burning, support cellular repair, improve metabolic flexibility, reduce decision fatigue around food use, simplify the system. 1 delivery, 1 storage window, 23 hours of cleanup. But this is not magic, and it is not for everyone. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Eating once a day is not suitable for